Morning. Today we are doing the two topics of your chapters, National Development Council and Niti Aayog. Today we will do National Development Council of chapter second. We have already done this chapter before summer vacation, but due to this pandemic COVID-19, there is a little bit change in your syllabus. There is a, so in your second chapter you will do now you will do only these two topics. Okay, अब तुम ये दो ही टॉपिक करोगे second chapter second book. Okay, then we are starting our first topic, National Development Council. Okay, because new books are not available, so that I am sending notes to you. Okay, so these are National Development Council. The National Development Council or Rashtriya Vikas Parishad is the apex body for development in India. In India, all of you know that after independence, Planning Commission was set up in 1950, and this organization was set up in 1952. Okay, and the name of this organization is the National Development Council or Rashtriya Vikas Parishad. The chairman of National Development Council (NDC) is Prime Minister of India. Okay, कौन होता है हेड? Prime Minister of India, and it was set upon 6th August 1952. It means today, on 6th August 1952, to strengthen the efforts made by Planning Commission. All the planning was done by Planning Commission, and this National Development Council was made to make powerful that planning which was planned by Planning Commission. Okay, the main motive of National Development Council is to promote common economic policies and to ensure the balanced country. Main motive क्या है? What are you 2 marks question. First of all, what are the main motives of National Development Council? First is to promote common economic policy. Common economic policies का क्या मतलब है? It means the policies for all. It means the policies for all these states of India. Clear? And to ensure the balanced and rapid development of all the parts of the country. Balanced development, it means all the states of India will develop in a same manner. No state will be backward and no state will be prosperous. कोई भी ऐसी स्टेट नहीं होगी जो ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट कर जाए, और कोई भी स्टेट ऐसी नहीं होगी जो डाउन रह जाए. ओके, टू इंश्योर बैलेंस्ड एंड रैपिड तेज़ी से डेवलपमेंट के लिए, और ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, इन इट मीन्स और इन ऑल द स्टेट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. The main motive of this organization, of this council, is to make economic policies for all the states, and second, to ensure the balanced development of all the parts of the India. So this consists of Prime Minister. First of, you can say that this is the composition of NDC, National Development Council. Okay, Prime Minister, Union Cabinet Minister, Chief Ministers of all state. जितनी स्टेट है सबके चीफ मिनिस्टर भी इंक्लूड होते हैं, बिकॉज सो दैट दे कैन गिव द रियल सिचुएशन पिक्चर ऑफ देयर स्टेट. ओके, एंड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स द यूनियन टेरेटरीज आपके इंडिया में हैं, उनके भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इसमें ऐड होते हैं. एंड द मेंबर ऑफ द नीति आयोग मीन्स प्लानिंग कमीशन. क्लियर? वट इज़ द मेन मोटिव? टू एंश्योर इकोनॉमिक policies for all, common economic policy, and second is to ensure balanced development, rapid development for all the states of the country. And कौन कौन होता है इसमें? First of all, Prime Minister, second, Cabinet Minister, third, Chief Ministers of all states, fourth, representatives of the Union Territories, and the member of Niti Aayog. Now, what are the objectives of NDC? this question can be given for 4 marks also. Okay, first of all, to secure cooperation of the state in the execution of the plan. Okay, first objective क्या है? So that by NDC, because all the chief ministers are here, so cooperation of all the state, if a plan, if there is a plan and the execution of plan will be done by will be final by the NDC. It means security of the plan. It means cooperation of all the states, so that this planning may be good. Okay, to promote common economic policies in all part of the country. In all part of the country means in all states of the country, to promote all common economic policy. It means policies for all. To ensure the balanced and rapid development of all the parts of the country. To improve the living standard of people. Living standard of people means people can get the people will be may be able to fulfill the basic needs of their daily life. It means the living standard. If they are if planning is good and they are getting the good resources, they are getting the good income, then their living standard automatically increased. Next, to increase per capita income. Okay, per capita income, it means the income of an individual. When we divided total population, national income to total population, it means एक देश की इनकम को जब उस देश की पॉपुलेशन से डिवाइड किया जाता है तो एक इंसान की इनकम आती है, एंड दैट इज़ पर कैपिटल इनकम. और ये कब बढ़ेगी? जब हमारे देश की नेशनल इनकम बढ़ेगी. ओके, to provide social amenities like education, medical care, social service to the citizen of the country. Okay, सभी लोगों के लिए सोशल सर्विसेज लाना, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ देना, एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करना, दीज आर द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल. फंक्शन ऑफ NDC, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, to prescribe guidelines for the formulation of national plan, including the assessment of resource for the plan. The main function of, first of all, assessment of the resource of the plan. If we are plan something, then we must know about the resources we have. अगर हमें कोई प्लानिंग करनी है तो हमें पता होना चाहिए हमारे पास है कितना प्लान. That's why, and to prescribe guideline for the formulation of national plan. Okay, और जो if there is a plan, then guidelines will be given by the NDC how this plan can be executed. कैसे एग्जीक्यूट हो सकता है ये प्लानिंग, और इस प्लानिंग के लिए कितने रिसोर्सेज चाहिए, कितना पैसा चाहिए, ये कौन प्लान करेगा? NDC. टू कंसीडर द नेशनल प्लान एज फॉर्मुलेटेड बाय द नीति आयोग. नीति आयोग ने जो नेशनल लेवल पे प्लान बनाया होता है उसको रिकंसीडर करना, उसको देखना कि इज इट गुड और बैड. इट इज़ डन बाय will be done by NDC. To make an assessment of the resources that are required for implementing the plan. Resources जानना कि how much resources we have, and if we have enough resources then we can implement a plan. हम एक plan को तभी पूरा कर पाते हैं जब हमारे पास resources हो, and suggest measures for increasing them. और NDC suggest measure how we can increase our resources, how can we fulfill make successful our plan. To consider important questions of social and economic policies affecting national development. Okay, to review the working of the plan time to time. The other main function of NDC is to see is the planning is going on time, is the plan which was made is implementing on time, what are the results of that plan, कि अगर हमने प्लान बनाया वो इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ कि नहीं इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ तो उसके रिजल्ट्स क्या हुए. टू रिकमेंड द मेथड्स विच आर नेसेसरी फॉर अचीविंग द एम विच आर सेट फॉर नेशनल प्लान. Okay, NDC recommend that those methods which are necessary, which are important, which are which you can say that which are the basis for the for the for achieving our national plans goals. Okay, NDC has been proposed, so these are the functions. Now NDC National Development Council has been proposed to be abolished. इसको बोला गया है कि इसको ख़त्म कर दो, बट टिल डेट नो रेजोल्यूशन हैज़ बीन पास, लेकिन अभी तक इसको ख़त्म नहीं किया गया. द NDC हैड नो वर्क असाइन टू इट, नो डिड इट हैव एनी मीटिंग. कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक काम नहीं है जो NDC ने करना है. इट्स ओनली रिव्यू द प्लान विच वॉज डन बाय मेड बाय planning commission. Okay, only gives suggestion. During the tenure of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji and Manmohan Singh ji, it was felt that planning commission has outlived its life. ज़्यादा मतलब planning commission मतलब अब नहीं चाहिए, and needs some reforms. It is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. Okay, so first one we have done NDC. NDC National Development Council. Clear? National Development Council or राष्ट्रीय विकास परिषद is for your plan to make plan for the states to make balanced development. Okay, these are the objectives and these are the function of NDC.